What's the meaning of beloved? Beloved. Beloved.
Beloved. Beloved. Beloved is an adjective that describes someone or something that is dearly loved or highly regarded. It evokes feelings of warmth, tenderness, and affection. When we say someone is beloved, we mean that they are cherished and valued by many. This term can be used to describe a person, place, object, or idea that holds a special place in our hearts. It is not just a casual or temporary feeling, but rather a deep and abiding emotion that endures over time. Saying that someone or something is beloved implies a strong emotional connection, and it suggests that this connection is both meaningful and enduring.